What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's episode 8. This episode we will learning for market analysis. This video we will learning for fundamental analysis, technical analysis, sentimental analysis. Let's start. Fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is a type of analysis that connected to understanding the country's economic condition and how it will impact the value of the currency. Let's look at the different things that you should consider to understanding the fundamental of economic market. Interest rate. What is the interest rate? Interest rate are what the local bank is charging for the loans and a giveaway for the deposit. For example, when a person avails a loan, he will end up making the bank richer and thereby contributing to the country's economic. Employment statistics. Employment statistics of the country will also have direct bearing on the value of the country. Employment contributing to the economic in two ways. Firstly, it will give people buying power, as more salary will be donated out to the crowd. The other way that the people will buy the different goods and services, thereby contributing to the growth of the economy. So you have to look at how many people are employed in the country and also check the number of unemployment. So more employment, it means shows for the sign of value of the country was strongly. More unemployment is sign of the weakness of the currency. So it's a vice versa. Gross domestic product. Gross domestic product, GDP, refers to the per capita income and overall money that country collective earning. You have to look at the GDP of the country to see if the currency will do well or not. There is a different opinion on how the GDP of the country has to be assessed. Some of the opinion that rises on the GDP is a good sign of the economic stability. On the other hand, some look at these bad things as it will the consumer goods prices rises, which will again the impact of the currency value negatively. So good GDP is a showing for strongly currency. Political causes. Political causes that can affect the value of the currency. For example, if there is an election or if there is an protest, then it will have an impact on the value of the currency. You have to watch the news regularly to avoid it with any such changes and preparing for it. If you think a political abroad is going to cause the value of the currency drop, then you have to deposit it over the earliest. Natural causes. Natural climates that can impact the value of the currency, including earthquakes, tsunami, and etc. You have to read the newspapers regularly to know these are the remaining prepared for any price changes. All these are looking for fundamental analysis and will impact the currency of the country. Let's continue. Technical analysis. Technical analysis is a strategy of looking into past price movement, both recent past and a couple of months or years past, to determine where the current price is headed. So simply, technical analysis is used to determine where the price is going, where or price is going up or down. For example, this is all trending. We're looking for the last month. The last month, the market was going up, and the next 2 months, the market was consolidation or a range. And then we will looking for to decide if the market is going up or down. So we must waiting when the price break out the boundary of this line and finally showing new trending and showing for the market is going up. Technical analysis will help in that to understand it. Technical indicators: moving average indicator, exponential average indicator, moving average coverage database, relative strength index, percentage price oscillator indicator, parabolic sign indicator, average directional indices. All these are indicators using when using technical analysis. So these indicators are all different. Every indicator has a different as a tools. Others has another tools. Next, main types of technical analysis: price action, technical indicator, classical chart. Technical indicator, we were talking for the last previous slides. What is a price action? Price action is symbol meaning candle formation. It's one of the strategy used money traders in a forex industry market. Sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis refers to understanding the mood of investors and the market as a whole. So simply, it uses more investors. If the market has more investors, so the market is moving well and has more volatility. If the market has less investors, the market don't make a movement. So sentimental analysis help me to understand this current have more investors or less investors. That is what will help me. Thank you for your watching. If you are new to the channel and join the content, please smash like button, subscribe, turn notification to receive it the next episode. Thank you. Good luck.